What's the fastest WordPress theme? Let's take a look. Hey, it's Ozzy here talking about fast or the fastest WordPress theme. This video is part of the WordPress speed optimization series. Make sure you check the rest of the videos in this playlist because they're all about optimizing your WordPress website. Okay, so the next thing we're going to need is a fast WordPress theme. Now, years ago, I remember testing free themes. And to this day, I see a lot of people getting into WordPress. And the first thing they do, of course, is go to the WordPress repository and search for free themes. Free is such a good word. But the thing to understand is that many of these very well-meaning developers are still finding their way in the world of coding. They're not yet as good as they're going to be one day. And that means that there are thousands of themes out there that are free, but they're also poorly coded. On the other hand, paid themes with real support and teams of experienced, very good developers don't cost that much. Typically, a good theme costs well under $100 per year. So anybody, even if they're on a budget, should really invest on a professional theme if they care about the user experience of their website and their stress levels, because nothing's worse than having a website with traffic and having your theme break, for example, during an update, where parts of the theme are so badly coded that they simply stop working and the developer is nowhere in sight to provide a patch or an update to that theme. And yes, that's happened to me in the past. So when it comes to optimization, we want a lightweight theme. We don't want a big heavy theme bloated with code, because that's going to drag down the performance of the website. Now, I'm going to mention the three themes that I like, but I'm also going to ask you to comment if you use a different theme and you think it's worth a mention. And I'm going to put a link in the description below this video to my blog where you can see the up-to-date themes that I recommend, as well as the theme that I'm currently using myself on my blog. That helps this video stay relevant in future. I'm sure these three themes I'm about to mention will still be very, very cool for many years to come. But please do check the link just to double check that I still recommend those three themes in future. Okay, so the first theme is Astra, WP Astra. This is one of the fastest WordPress themes on the planet. This is not a random claim. They do test these things and they show plenty of proof. Now, I've used Astra before on my blog. I saw Astra pop into the market and I bought it straight away and replaced my original theme. I also use Astra on many other websites and I'm pretty happy with it. The Pro version of Astra comes with a ton of features, site layouts, typography options, blog layouts, multiple header designs, and flexible footer layouts. They integrate very well with WooCommerce as well as some learning systems. Astra also comes with a huge library of really well-designed templates which you can install with just one click. I use the Pro version. It's an annual fee as most professional themes are, but it's very affordable. It means that you get top-notch support and it also helps them keep the lights on. Now, the next theme that I like is GeneratePress. I love this theme and I'm actually using this theme on my blog right now at the time of this recording, although that may change when I mention the next theme. Now, for me, GeneratePress is super cool. It's very lightweight. It has superb performance. It's extremely well coded, as is Astra, by the way. The Pro version has a similar set of features such as typography, layout control, hooks and filters, and so on. GeneratePress also have a library of templates which are pretty cool. Now, I have to say, in my opinion, WP Astra's templates have the edge. To me, those designs are more visually appealing, but I don't use templates on my blog. I just build the pages from scratch. So for me, that's not a must-have feature. As I say, GeneratePress really impressed me, so much so that it became my current theme on my blog. I replaced WP Astra with GeneratePress. Again, this is a super fast theme, and that's exactly what we want when it comes to WordPress optimization. Now, just like Astra, you can get GeneratePress for free, which is the Pro version with many features stripped out. But for what it costs to have a professional theme with the extra features and the great support, I would always recommend that you go for the Pro version. Okay, so now let's talk about one of the fastest WordPress themes I've come across so far. This is Ocean WP. It's blisteringly fast, and now you can get this theme for free, just like you can WP Astra and GeneratePress. All you pay for are the premium extensions, but those are optional. Now, as with the other themes, Ocean WP also comes with templates. Some of the features of Ocean WP include full responsiveness, which of course we expect these days with any theme, and it's e-commerce ready. Now, Ocean WP has some great features built directly into the theme, so you don't have to use plugins to get that functionality. For example, they have a native cart pop-up. If you're doing e-commerce, then this is great. It can definitely help you increase conversion rates. The theme also has a floating add to cart bar. Again, this is another conversion rate booster. And these things are built into the theme, which is going to help you reduce bloat when it comes to adding too many plugins. Now, all three themes I've mentioned, Astra, GeneratePress, and Ocean WP, work with many of the most popular page builders, including Elementor and Beaver Builder. If you use any other page builder such as Breezy or Visual Composer or Divi, and you're interested in any of these themes, then just double check on their page that they do support the page builder that you use at the time. Any of these three themes with the right setup, i.e. hosting and the right plugins, is going to get you great results. In the end, it's going to come down to preference. Some themes may have better templates or better functionality according to what you need. Now, there are many themes out there and many of them are very good. There are other fast themes. For example, Elementor's own Hello theme, which Elementor say is the fastest WordPress theme ever built. And they have the numbers to prove it. The Hello theme is very basic. It's really a vanilla install. And the whole idea there is that you have a very basic theme stripped out of most things that other themes have, and you use the page builder to create your website. Keep in mind that themes are usually built to enable you to set up your entire website without using a page builder. When you do add a page builder, then you're not really using all that functionality on the theme. So the Hello theme solves this problem. I'm also hearing very good things about the Neve theme, which I haven't had the chance to test yet. So those are two additional themes to add to this list of ultra fast WordPress themes. The reason I focused on Astra, GeneratePress and Ocean WP is because those three are the themes that I'm familiar with that I know are touted as the fastest WordPress themes. Now, on that note, I'd be very interested if you're using a theme that I haven't mentioned and you're getting great results. So please do share in the comments, and that way we can all benefit. So if you're interested to know what I'm using right now and you want to double check that I'm still recommending these themes, then do click the link in the description below this video. And when you're ready, you can click on the next video in this WordPress speed optimization series, which is on your screen right now. Click it and I'll see you in that video.